Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, aka Mike, aka PTCAC representative, and I'm back with another painting. This one is I'm gonna do two of these. Both of these are practice paintings for a larger painting that I want to make for a coworker of mine. She chose the colors, so I'm going to make two of them. This one I'm just gonna do like a dirty cup pour. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a hurricane pour or something like that, but I'm gonna try to do something different. And then I'm going to probably use silicone in the second one, but those will be two separate videos, blah blah blah, whatever. So today I am using colors that she chose: light magenta, Master's Touch, some silver, Master's Touch, some permanent black, Master's Touch, and the metallic white, Artist Loft. So I'm gonna, get everything straight, put it all in a cup, and then I'll figure out how I'm gonna pour it after. Depending on how this works, I may try this again with just some silicone, or I may try something completely different. So I'll figure that out, and we'll be back to actually make the painting. Chill. And we're back. This is the final product. I like it a lot. I decided kind of in the middle to kind of do it the same way that I was doing the bedroom paintings, where I just did a dirty pour from one of the corners diagonally and then tilted it around. I like how it ended up separating, where there's a lot of the pink and the silver with a little bit of black over here. I wanted to try to use as little black as possible. So I poured the colors in and then just poured a little bit of black in after the fact. I like how the black came through here and made these. It's just I just really like the design. I like the lines. I like the swirliness of right here versus the dark part over here. I dig this a lot. So I'm probably just gonna do just a flip cup with silicone for the next one. So do the things, of course, and I'll be right back with another one. Peace out.